Are you prepared for an emergency? Imagine a world where you're forced to survive without the comforts of modern amenities. The electricity is out, there's no shelter, and you're out in the open elements for at least 12 months. The key to survival in such a scenario lies in a well-prepared survival kit. Today we'll discuss the process of preparing such a kit in clear, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1 is to gather essential survival gear. This includes a multi-purpose tool, a sturdy knife, a compass, a fire starter, a headlamp with extra batteries, and a high-quality survival tent. Remember, these tools are designed to help you navigate the wilderness, start fires for warmth and cooking, and provide shelter. The second step is to consider your food and water needs. Pack a minimum of 3 days' worth of non-perishable, easy-to-prepare food items. Include a manual can opener if necessary. Additionally, pack a metal pot for boiling water and a water filter or purification tablets. Health and hygiene is the third step. Include a first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. Don't forget personal hygiene items like toothpaste, soap, and toilet paper. The fourth step is to consider your clothing and bedding needs. Pack sufficient warm clothing and waterproof boots. Also, include a sleeping bag rated for the lowest possible temperature you might encounter. The fifth and final step is to pack communication and navigation tools. These include a battery or crank-operated radio, maps of your local area, and a fully charged emergency phone with GPS capabilities if possible. In summary, preparing a survival kit involves 5 key steps: gathering essential survival gear, considering your food and water needs, packing health and hygiene items, preparing for clothing and bedding needs, and packing communication and navigation tools. Remember, the goal is to be self-sufficient and capable of surviving in the open elements for at least 12 months. It's not about living in luxury, but about enduring and thriving in a survival situation. Be prepared, be smart, and above all, stay safe out there.